This is Bow Lake, and it's super, super beautiful. As in, wow. Ayan, no? Guys, pupunta na kami ngayon sa Athabasca Glacier. Joke. Guys, pupunta kami sa glacier na yon. And nakakrocks diba? Tingnan natin guys kung hindi siya lamigin. Tapos ako naka-shorts. Kasi hindi namin alam na pupunta kami dito eh. Biglaan yarn?
Biglaan to no?
Oo.
Starbucks for Al Noor.
Where's Al Noor?
All the way up to up here on horseback. So it took a day or so to get up here. But even like the horses on the glacier and ice field itself.
Eigentlich ein Witz ist, dass mit Bus fahren, weil
Did you see a little blue toy car looks like?
Sasakay kami sa Ice Explorer kasi pupunta kami sa glacier.
Welcome to your Ice Explorer. You're on bus 534, the Caribou bus. The best bus on planet Earth with the best driver, of course. My name's Chris. Welcome aboard. Now, if I could ask you all to pop your seatbelts, we drive on the left. Oh yeah. Now, these Ice Explorers are impressive. They're awesome machines. These vehicles were not designed for drag racing, but they were designed to get us up and down some steep terrain. Take a look to the right hand side, you'll see a knife edge ridge of dirt and rock. There's two of them. Where's the other? Beneath us. These are the glacier's lateral moraines. There's one on either side. They mark the width and height of it at its last maximum. And this was around its last maximum around 1843. Slowest roller coaster. Here we go. Now I'm going to go quiet to focus on driving. I'll see you at the bottom. Hold on tight. Enjoy the views. It's the best on the trip.
Dun kami pupunta guys.
Now you can see the other ice core brain to the right hand side over there, similar height to us. You notice between us and the other ice core brain all that white ice. It's pretty dirty. Now this is called cryoconite, a mixture of dirt, rock and dust, and as naturally as possible, so we change the location of the ice road every few years to ensure this is possible. And talking of melts, as the water runs down off the glacier, it forms channels, streams. These streams erode the ice. They can actually cause big holes to form, known as fill.
Lasahan mo nga.
Lasa.
Can actually drink that glacier water. Matalibong kita. We are walking on a glacier, on top of a glacier that was formed hundreds of years ago. Joke lang. We're now going back to our Ice Explorer ride. Grabe, nakaka-blooming naman yung glacier, guys. Ang gwapo ni Marvin, this is not real. This is fake. Fake news.
You'll have also noticed the clear white ice eyes have deceived him. The mountains we get here are nowhere near the Mount Athabasca. We saw something truly impressive. The Columbia.
Shinwapta Lake. That's kind of a cloudy gray coloring. Would anybody want to drink out of there? No, good answer. So the reason for that cloudy roof, that is our staff accommodation building. So all 250 of us pile in there at night. It really saves on our heating bills. Those are called expansion joints. Those are there so the building doesn't leak or crack in those really, in this corner here, we can get our first look at the beautiful Glacier Skywalk sitting 280 meters above the canyon floor. And on that note, is anybody scared of heights?
You can do it. Guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kataas yung inaapakan ni Vin. Wow! Oh my god, I can't walk. Whoa! Bob Sweet. Wow, look at that view. Grabe kagayon. Sobrang gayon, guys.
Kane, come back here.
Wow! May tuko. May tuko, Didi. Tuko! Tuko! Guys, hindi naman ako na-inform na may hiking. Hiningal yan. This is a 700-meter steep. Very steep na daan. Kaya kanina nung paakyat kami, super hingal ako. Ang taba ko, di kinaya. Babs, hulaan mo kung sinong pupuli ka tunda na gabi eh.
Wala, ramdam ko.
Wala, pupulikato na naman ako.
Bago ka magturog, masimasong ka na yung ano.
Hiloton mo ako. Bole. We're here at Bow Lake. Is it cold? Kagayan dito sa Kalayukay. Adtuho. Ano bang nangyayari ngayon?
Nagaan tayo.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan ba? Gondola? Sulphur Mountain, Ulap. Bakit po?
Hanapan ako iki. Nakay. Nakaperang balik na ako dito.
Guys, tignan nyo guys. Si Kuya, kastang ko niya. Tatakong ko.
Sabay kasi nila for sure.
Are we?
2.
Too easy. Thank you so much. I'm gonna make it through the 4 here.
Yep. Ito na guys, oh. Ito, paborito ko yan. Oo. Paborito ko yan. Gusto ko yan, oh.
Very much. How many do we have here today? We're at 4. Perfect.
4. Paborito ko yan. Ayan na. Dito na. Papasok na po kami. Watch your head and look and listen.
Okay, just let me report onto the numbers, please.
Hello.
Natatakot ka? Don't know. Tapos pakita mo ang view.
Yeah, I think are the ones going to be like right around that. Where are they?
Tita Jing, nahadlok po ang batit mo. Tindog daw. Hindi nakakapot si Bin. Hadlokon kaya siya.
It'd probably be wind dependent, I would think. But if it was just like a nice winter day, that could take it.
Malapit na po kaming bumaba.
So we won't make the tomorrow.
Pero kung dati, babalasan ako niya. Hindi naman siya.
But then do they have one for the
So strong ka na. Hindi ka natakot. Na ano ka na, na-train ka na sa Calgary Tower tapos sa Skywalk. Ano yun? Tunog yun.
Taba-taba lang.
Oh, okay, yeah, so it's,
That doesn't make sense.
hard to tell your body to ignore its natural instincts.
Drawing him to come away. Lucy, Lucy!
Okay, my ego rara choke.
Wow. Most beautiful lake to. Sa tingin mo, anong pinakamagandang lake?
Pardon me?
What do you think is the most beautiful lake?
For me, sounds good.
Huh? Kuya man ini, intahaputanos.
Ini.
Nga.
Kasi overlooking siya. Ay, ano overseeing?
Oh.
Overview?
Sarap pa.
Preview.